Well, here's today's pod review, Pepper. And I doubt that you've ever seen this one. This here is the Vader Jigsaw. Looks pretty evil. Let's cut this bad boy in half. See what we got here. I don't know. Are you scared of Vader? It sure smells hot. I can smell it already. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna eat this in a minute. Well, today's pod review is a pretty special one. It's the Vader Jigsaw. Took the seeds out with the tweezers, and I'm going to eat it here in a second and tell you what it's all about. I want to tell you a little story about it. This pod was grown by Michael Christensen, and at least I have the history on this one. He got the seeds through the hotpepper.com through some type of football contest, and it was supposed to be jigsaw seeds and it was from Mike Hess's garden, and this is what came up. So we have no idea what it's crossed with. Don't really know much about it other than it was supposed to be jigsaw seeds. And I'm not going to bore you with all the typical Star Wars jokes, other than the fact that my son is named Luke and I am his father. So with all that being said, and my glasses are fogging up already, so I'm just going to take them off now. Don't know much about this. I think it's pretty hot, but I guess we're going to find out. A lot of pod to chew up. All right. Before I tell you what it is, I guess I'll tell you what it is not. It's not bitter. It's not real floral. A little bit. It has a painful burn. My whole mouth is on fire. Mostly my tongue and my throat. It kind of has a typical chocolate taste, but like I said, it's not bitter. A little fruity, maybe. Hang on. It's making my eyes water. But anyway, I believe this is an F1, or it was just discovered. So Michael's going to take the time and work on this one and try to stabilize it and grow it out. It's very hot. High level super hot. And yeah, the burn is just painful. It's hard to talk. But anyway, this somehow crossed in Mike Hess's garden. He happens to be a friend of mine as well. He grows some really hot stuff. Michael is really on the rare and exotic end of things. He showed me a lot of pictures, incredible stuff. Like I said, I'm really honored to be able to review this pepper. I gotta wipe my eyes, hang on. Blow my nose. Woo. Anyway, for a chocolate super hot, it has a very good flavor. It's not real earthy, not real floral. Maybe just a hint of fruit flavor. Extreme heat. It definitely reminds me of some of the peppers with less taste, like a Bourgogne or something like that. I wouldn't say it has a real creeper burn. It's not a... I don't think it crossed with a Moruga. That's just my guess. But I'm telling you what, really hot. Like I said, very interesting. I'll be curious to see what happens with this pepper in the next few years. My tongue just feels like somebody put a hot pan on it. Really hot. And I guess that's all about I got to say. Thanks a lot, Michael. And thanks to Mike Hess. And I'm going to do a couple more reviews this year and then I'm done. But that one's a winner. Over and out.